This right here is $28,000 in the past 4 weeks. And the truth is, most people will actually never touch this amount of money in a single month. And if you give me next few minutes here, I'm going to show you exactly how to make this amount of money in the next 30 days. All right. So first things first, what we're actually doing is we're building an AI agency. All right. What is this? This is basically a business model where you can take an AI and actually apply it inside businesses that need help or want to implement these AI tools and help them make more money or keep more money. Okay, there's going to be two types of businesses that this works with. There's going to be the online businesses, and then there's also the offline businesses. Now, a lot of people are targeting offline businesses right now, like your local dentist office, right? And they basically go and the offer is, hey, for every call that you get, we're gonna automate this process so you don't have to pick up the phone. We'll have an AI receptionist pick it up and like schedule and book calls for you. It's a very crowded space. I'm not saying it's not good. It's just not as lucrative as some of the online businesses, because online businesses are very scalable, whereas a dentist office only has a limited amount of people that it can serve within a month. So if you want to make more money, then go to online businesses. So what are some online businesses we can go with? Well, the first one that comes to mind, for example, is Shopify stores, right? There's a lot of Shopify stores. It's a multi-billion-dollar market. Stores are running it up. E-commerce is still trending, it's still booming, and it's very scalable. There's pretty much three different aspects to any business that needs help at all times, okay? So there is the leads business, right? The leads aspect, sorry. And then there's also the conversion aspect, okay? And then there's the post-purchase aspect, like getting them to return. So lead is getting them new people to walk in the door. Converting is turning those people that are walking in into customers. That's where they're actually paying you. And then recurring aspect is to get those people who paid you to come back and keep buying from you. If you can help them do any of these three things, then they will pay you lots of money. So the easiest fruit to go after, the lowest hanging fruit, is this one. Okay, because this happens first. And there's no way a business can make money if they don't have this. So you want to attach yourself to either any of these, but this is the easiest one to go after. So how do we actually execute this? Well, we can go after any online Shopify business, right? And then offer to get them leads for their business. And when they see how much money that they're making from those leads, you can charge a lot of money, right? Like let's say you're helping your leads that you're bringing them is helping them make an extra $10,000 a month. Well, now you can charge them $1,000, maybe even $2,000, right? And as long as you're bringing them customers, they'll happily pay you this amount every single month just to get them more leads. Now, how do we actually get them more leads? We'll find the business by coming into the ads library. We'll go into all ads and then we'll search the keyword shop now. Once we do this, it'll pull up ads specifically tailored towards e-commerce stores. So let's say this store right here, okay? I recently purchased the most popular. All right, so let's say we're looking at this ad. This ad is not performing the best. As you can see, it says low impression count. So if I actually click on the profile and go to the website, well, this took me to a bad page. But let's say I actually click on this website, go to the actual store, I can contact that store owner and offer them to make AI ads for them so that I can now increase the amount of leads that they're getting. Let's say that you do find a business that you can help with make ads and they say, hey, yeah, I would love more customers, because which business wouldn't? You would go and just use a website like Arc Ads, okay? So here's a website right here. It's called Arc Ads, where you can use AI avatars to now create ads for this business. And these ads actually perform way better than what the business traditionally was doing. Okay, so here's some examples of these ads that I've ran for some industries, like people who want to build pools, for example. And let's just watch what it looks like.
Pool builders, are you looking for more installs? Most pool companies are leaving money on the table because their leads aren't being called fast enough or qualified properly. That's where we come in. At Pipeline AI Systems, We use cutting edge automation to call and qualify homeowners for you.
You get the gist. But that's fully AI, and then you can now take this, install it for a business, fully run it for them because they don't want to sit around and do this on the computer. And you can travel the world while you do this. You can make an extra few $1,000s a month while you do this. And at scale, maybe even hit 50K a month if you get a team. But this is the basic breakdown of how you can make 10K in the next 30 days if you really just lock in. This is a broad overview. There's much more details that goes into this. If you're interested, join my free community that I'll leave down below. Not selling you a course or anything, just join and get some free resources on how to do this in detail. But yeah, no reason to be broke in 2026. Peace.